Amazing! Let's assemble a self-propelled sprayer. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the self-propelled sprayer.